So on the previous video, we were able to look into Binance, setting up Binance accounts, considering how you can do the verification and so on. So on this one, we are going to now go into non-custodial wallet because the process of Binance is similar to all other uh, custodial wallet like Bybit, KuCoin, and so on, right? So now for non-custodial wallets, it is the same process to set them up, right? Because all you need is what a key phrase or a private key to be able to what log in anytime, any day, right? So before you set up this account, ensure you have a diary for the uh, private keys or have where you can document it. Don't just screenshot it because you can lose it, and if you lose it, there is no way you can retrieve it. For a centralized account, you can change your password, you can access it anytime if you lose your phone. But for a non-custodial wallet, if you lose it, you lose it. Nobody will be able to have access to it in this life. So take note of this before you proceed, right? So we are going to look into uh, Phantom, Softlet, Tonekeeper, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. It's the same process, right? So we are going to pick one out of these different ones and set up. So to get started, we'll go to Play Store. We'll go to Play Store. Uh, we'll go to Play Store, right? Then we'll type Phantom Wallet, right? Anyone you want to start with. Phantom, Software, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, all are what? Same one. So all you need to do is just search them and you'll be able to download it. This is Phantom Wallet. I already have it, right? I already have it. You can see Phantom, this Phantom, then Software. This is Software, right? Then for Trust Wallet, this is Trust Wallet. Then for MetaMask, this is MetaMask. Now, all these different ones, different custodial wallets, they have why you should have most of them. For instance, Phantom Wallet for Solana blockchain, right? We'll discuss more about this blockchain later. Solana blockchain or Solana networks, only Solana coins can work there, right? For instance, if you are using, let me say you are transferring money, there's Union Bank, there's UBA Bank for Nigerians, right? There are different banks with different names and they all have different account number, right? But then when it comes to non-custodial wallets, we have different, or when it comes to different networks, there are different networks on the blockchain. We have Solana networks. Solana network you cannot transfer a Solana chain to, or a Solana token to what, or coin to a BNB or BSC rather, which is Binance Smart Chain, or MetaMask or Tonekeeper. Sorry, not MetaMask, Ethereum or Tom blockchain. These are different blockchains. So you need to understand them before you trade. So maybe you bought something, or maybe somebody wants to send you something. You ask of the coin. Once they tell you the coin, you ask them the network they are sending them to, so that you'll be able to know the right network. Now, these different non-custodial wallets, they work with different, what's it called? They work with different blockchain considering this level. Even though there are ways you can bridge them from one blockchain to another, but then that's not what we are looking at. Since this is beginners class, we want to look into a friendly way we can get started. And that's by what? Addressing this based on their blockchain. So for Phantom Wallet and Software, it is Solana that we are going to use them on. For Tonekeeper, it is Tone blockchain, tokens under Tone ecosystem. Then for MetaMask, this is for Ethereum base, right? Then for Trust Wallet is basically for Binance Smart Chain, right? BNB uh, project, right? So we are going to be exploring Phantom, Tokeeper, Trust Wallet, and we can't really tell of MetaMask, but then we may look into MetaMask, right? So the creation, the setup of these accounts are all same. So any custodial wallet you are setting up, just know what you are doing. That's the most important thing. Just know what you are doing. So this is my Phantom wallet. I already have an account, but I'm going to create a new wallet since this is more like a guide, right? Still loading. It's having an authentication for me to verify with my password. So you can see this is showing balance because this was once used, right? Now, if you are creating it for the first time, it's not going to display this way. It's going to ask you to create account. It will ask you to create account, right? It will ask you to either create or add an account. So right now, what you need to do is what? You click on create account, right? Now, you click on create account. If you already have an account and you have your security key or your private key, you can import them into this, right? You can import them. So maybe you lost your phone, and because you wrote your security phrase somewhere, you can be able to retrieve them. You can be able to what? Bring them and get the setup done. So that's one nice thing about uh, non-custodial wallet. Once you're able to write down the security phrase, the secret recovery phrase, you'll be able to recover your wallet anytime, any day, right? So how do you get it done? Click on create new wallet if this is your first time, or if this is not your first time, you already have a wallet, you can click on import security key, insert the security phrase that was provided when you created an account, and you recover your account back. But since this a new account you want to create, to click on create new account. Here you can change, you can type the name to anything you want to be able to, maybe you want to have multiple wallets, you can just give it a name so that you can recall. By the time you click on account and create new account, you click on create. After you click on create, you can see this account has automatically been created. It is not applicable to all to display the phrase immediately, just like other wallets, right? So all you need to do is just click on this settings here, click on the settings, come to this place, come to this place, click on this icon. You can see show recovery phrase, show private key, right? So you click on show secret recovery phrase, and it will be displayed. Copy them and write them down. They are going to display in it's going to be arranged. So ensure to write them the way they provided them so that you'll be able to use them to import, access your account from any device any day. So it's not advisable to show or review them to anyone. So just write them down somewhere. Don't just screenshot or snap. Ensure you have a book. Put them where you cannot lose it. Because if you lose it, you are losing your account, you are losing your money, and you can never recover it, right? You cannot guess it. Nobody can retrieve the account because nobody, this is blockchain, this is decentralized. Nobody is having access to it, right? So that's how it is being done, right? And you can remove an account and add it anytime. Then for software, almost same thing. For Trust Wallet, almost same thing. For MetaMask, almost same thing. Even though their interface varies, their interface varies. Their interface varies, so you cannot really tell. So now I can decide to, if I want to create now, once I click on create an account, secret phrase, Swift, I'm going to use secret phrase. This is Trust Wallet. I'm going to back up manually, back up to Google Drive. You can back up to your Google Drive, and you can also back up manually. By backing up manually, they are going to display it here and you'll be able to write it down. So I'll click on this. So I'll just tick all of this, click on continue. Can you see? These are the keys. I will just write them and put their numbers the way they are. So I will click on continue. Once I click on continue, they are going to ask me to select the right one, right? They are going to ask me to select which one is correct, the number one, the fourth one, the seventh one, 10th one, before they allow me into uh, the wallet, right? So that's the way to set up both Tonekeeper. Same thing is applicable to Tonekeeper, Same thing is applicable to Tonkeeper. Tonkeeper, which is for Ton blockchain, same thing is applicable, right? Let me try to access it. Let me access it first. All right. So this Tonkeeper, I'll just click on New Wallet. By the time I click on New Wallet, they will just activate the wallet. Get instant notification. You can enable notification, right? You can give it a name, click on save. The wallet has been created. This is similar to how that of what's it called? That of uh, Phantom, right? I can just click on it, come to this place, click on backup. On the backup, I'll click on backup manually. I'll click on continue, then I'll copy my seed phrase, right? Any custodial wallet you're using, this is how it is being done, right? So uh, on the next video, we are going to consider uh, understanding crypto exchanges, which we have done that. So what we are going to do basically is to how to navigate crypto exchanges, what is very important in crypto exchanges so that we can be able to use them the way it should. And after that, we are going to navigate how to uh, use how to navigate custodial wallet and also decentralized exchange wallet so that we can be able to use them and also understand some of the important terms on these very wallets and exchanges.